In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to remove watermark inside of Filmora 14 for free. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Filmora like you usually would. Then from here, you need to open up your clip that you want to remove the watermark from. Then from here, you need to go over to Effects tab in the menu and go down to Video Effects and go up to the search bar and click Mosaic like so. From here, you'll see all of these different effects that you can add onto your timeline. But you need to click Surface Blur, just add it onto your timeline like so. Then from here, you need to make this your entire length of the clip and go up to the Effects tab over here, select the triangle or the shape and go over to Position and just go over and make the X over here and the Y over here like so. Then you can also change the X and Y scale like so to cover the full watermark like so. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!